Mastering Google Marketing, Ads, SEO, and beyond. Welcome to the world of Google Marketing, a universe where your brand's visibility skyrockets, connecting you with your audience. Google Ads kicks things off, placing your message right in the search results, YouTube, and beyond, turning searches into your potential gold mines. Then, there's Google My Business, your digital storefront. It's where your brand lives, breathes, and interacts directly with your community. Imagine your ad popping up just when potential customers are searching for what you offer. That's the power of keyword bidding in Google Ads. Every click, every view is a step closer to conversion. Google's platforms ensure your ads resonate with the right crowd at the right time. Beyond ads, Google My Business boosts your local SEO, making it easier for customers to find, contact, and review your business. Embrace these tools, and watch as Google Marketing transforms your digital presence, drawing customers closer with every search and click.